In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images of your student work samples in Chalk and Wire. First of all, let's go under the side menu to Work and then to the Image Gallery. This is the storage area for your images. So choose Add Personal Image. You can drag files here, browse your computer, choose from Dropbox. I'm going to add files from my computer. Here's my images folder. Here's one of the images I want. So you can see it listed here. Now I want to go ahead and add another one. Here's my second one. And now I'm going to just start uploading all of them. Okay, you can see both of them have been saved to the library. Now I'm going to close. Now let's get back to your portfolio. So again, I'm just going to go to Dashboard. Here's my assessment portfolio, so I'm going to click to open that. Both practicum and student teaching, if we minimize this, both of those require student work samples. So I'm just going to choose the student work sample page for practicum. Now, we can't submit. We need to add content to the page. So first of all, I'm going to add content just as like a file attachment on the page, like you would attach anything else. So I'm going to save files from my library because we already saved it there. Choose the image gallery. I know that those started with an S. Here they are. So I'll choose one and done. Now, see how small that is? It would be very difficult for your teacher, for your supervisor to see the details on this. Now they can click it and open it full screen, and that's a possibility, but again, you can't really see the details too well, and it might open so large that they can't see the whole thing. So it's best if you add your photographs, your images, in a text area so you can format them. So I'm going to choose Add Content again. This time I'm going to choose a text block to add. In the text block, I have a library image option. So again, we've got the same three columns, only it's a little scrunched, so it's showing it to you vertically. So I'm going to choose Image Gallery and then choose the S's. And this time I'll choose the same one and I'll just click and drag it down into the last column. And now click Done. Okay, here's the same image, but it's within my text area. Now I can click on this and choose the Edit Image option. And this allows me to change the size. So if it's too big, you can make the dimensions a little smaller. I think I want to make this one just a little bit bigger. I'm going to choose 700, and then when I tab, you can see that it automatically constrains the proportions. Click OK. There it is, a little bit bigger. I could also, while it's selected, center it on the page. Let's save that and close. And now look how much better that is. It's much easier to see. So those are your two options. Now, along with your images, you also need to add your explanation of those images. You need examples of poor quality work, average quality work, exemplary quality work. So you can add those. You could type all of it up in a Word document and just add it as a file on the page along with these. You could add text blocks that say this is an example of poor quality work because blah, 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 and you'd want to add your detailed explanation there. Click Save and Close. And now you see it automatically went to the bottom of the screen, but I want it to be above my image. So I can use this drag handle and just click and drag my text and insert it right above the image. So you can continue to add images and text or file attachments, whatever you need to explain your work samples on this page. When you're done and ready, just click Submit, and this goes to your university supervisor.